It's a long and challenging way from the development of a drug substance to the large-scale manufacturing of a safe medicinal product through the different clinical phases. CARBOGEN AMCIS accompanies the whole process and offers expertise at every step. As a reliable partner, we build on over 40 years of experience. In-house research, development, and analysis guarantee the highest product purity and only operate under the highest standards of quality, health, and safety by following the strict cGMP regulations. In this way, we ensure that every drug meets the regulatory, safety, and legal requirements and do our part to support our customer to pass the trial. We optimize processes and have a wide range of state-of-the-art and innovative technologies. They pave the way for a safe manufacture and control of the drug candidates and a potential market launch. CARBOGEN AMCIS supports you through the various clinical phases to bring your new drug from bench to market. We help patients to improve their life quality with new and better treatments. CARBOGEN AMCIS, bringing your science to life.